Need some help fixing household issues? Our professional handymen have been chosen with you in mind. Our team of fully qualified professionals have years of experience and are waiting to meet your needs efficiently and quickly with the highest level of dedication. Whatever your requirements, we can get it done quickly and with the minimum of fuss or inconvenience. But rest assured, we'll still quote you the most competitive value rates in the industry. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we maintain the highest level of customer care and service. All of our work is carried out to assured standards, and we will complete your desired work, leaving you with amazing results. So please, contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have about our company or our fast response services. Solving your household needs is our prime concern, so don't hesitate to get in contact with us and our handymen.